Alright guys, the day has finally arrived. We are getting these little duck nuggets out on the pasture, and I am so glad. This thing is a mess, and I didn't want to clean it because I knew they were going out here in a day or two, but they are really messy, but at least I'm going to get them out now. So I'm going to gather these guys up, and we are going to head up in the field, and we are going to introduce these little quackers to the chicken tractor. Alright, so let's go. Alright guys, we are up here. We got the chicken tractor behind me here, and we are going to get these little quackers in there. I can't wait. My garage stinks so bad, it isn't even funny. So let's get them in there now. I'm ready. Uh-oh, here's a quacker. That's a female. Alright, here is my new duck waterer. I'll tell you why I made that. Alright, so why did I make a special water? I'll show you why. Let's say this is your water that you put out for your ducks, okay? If I don't put a top on that water, it's going to turn out looking more like this. So there you go. That's why I had to make a water like this. So I'll just simply bring water up here each day, like so, and I'll just bring a new bucket of water up and I'll dump this out, remove it, then move the chicken tractor. No big deal. So yeah, there you have it. We got the ducks out here. They're in the chicken tractor. I got the electric fence live. If you guys haven't seen my chicken tractor video, check it out. And then also, if you haven't seen where the predators got my chickens, check that video out also, and it shows more about how I put the electric fence around this chicken tractor. So I think they are pretty happy. They're in there eating grass. I'm pretty sure that they're glad to be out of that nasty box in the garage. So I'm happy for them. I'm glad they're out. Let's see if we get them to use the water. You see that? Well guys, since we got the ducks out here on pasture, that's quite a relief off of me. I'd like to thank you guys for watching. The rabbit that I butchered in the last video, you can see that video in the link above. I'm going to go ahead and fix that thing today. So real quick, I will have you guys see how I fixed it. So anyway, I'd like to thank you guys for watching this video. I appreciate it. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. I would greatly appreciate it. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye. Alright guys, we have our rabbit pieces here. I've got it all quartered out, and I got some oil in a cast iron skillet, And we're just going to go ahead, we're going to brown each side of this rabbit. I'll have to do it in sections here. They'll fit in the pan. Okay, got a nice brown on there. Now we're gonna Alright, that ought to do it. Alright, now I am going to put these pieces in the crock pot over here. And we're going to also fry up some onions and some garlic. Alright, we got the garlic and the onions over the rabbit. I'm going to do 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. There we go. I need a 3/4 cups of water. About like that. I'm going to do a little more than a 1/2 cup of cooking red wine. Over there, I'm going to put a little bit of beef stock powder in this. And so you know, I will put the recipe in the description below. If you are interested in that, you can get it there. I need 2 bay leaves. Let's see, we'll throw 1, 2. Then I need to cube up some potatoes real quick. Okay, some taters. And then I need some carrots. I got some baby carrots, so I'm just going to put them in there whole. That'll probably do. We'll do a little bit of salt. Pepper. Lots of pepper. I like pepper. There we go. Okay. A pinch of herbs. I'm not sure what that is. There's like an Italian seasoning here. We'll just throw a pinch on there. And I think that's it. Let me look. We will add peas to this, but you do that in the final hour of cooking. So I'm going to try to stir this up a little bit. Best I can. Alright, that looks pretty darn good. So what we're going to do is I'm going to put this on high for about 2 hours and then switch it to low for another 4. So I'm going to get this plugged in and I'm going to let this cook. What do you think, girls?
It's good.
You think, Ellie?
Good.